Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Teams error, that is we are sorry we have run into an issue and the error code is 800700164. So when you try to log into Microsoft Teams, if you are receiving this error code, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to log out of Teams. So open Microsoft Teams and then click on your profile icon, then click on sign out. Now once you sign out, then open Windows 10 settings. So go to the start menu, then click on settings and then click on accounts, click on access work or school. Now over here go ahead and click on your work or school account and then click on disconnect. And once you disconnect, you will receive this prompt which says, are you sure you want to remove this account? This will remove your access to resources like email, apps, network and all the content associated with it. Your organization might also remove some data stored on this device. So if you agree, click on yes, and after this is disconnected, open Microsoft Teams and then log into your Microsoft Teams, and that should go ahead and fix the error message. Now still you are facing the problem, then again log out of Teams. So just click on your profile icon, then click on sign out, and after you log out, connect your work or school account and then log into Teams. So again go to access work and school option over here, and this time click on connect and then enter your email and password. So enter your Microsoft Teams emails and password. Once you enter the email and password, and once this is connected over here, then you go ahead and log into Microsoft Teams. Now still you are facing the problem. In that case, again log out of Microsoft Teams and this time disconnect and reconnect your work or school account. So this time go to Windows 10 settings and click on access work and school, and this time you go ahead and disconnect it, and then after you disconnect, again click on connect, enter your Microsoft Teams email and password and then log into your Microsoft team. Now in case if you have any old work or school account, you have to go ahead and disconnect it. So when you go over here, if you find that you have multiple work and school account, and if you have any old work and school account, you can go ahead and disconnect it and then go to email and accounts. And over here also, if you find your old work and school account, you can go ahead and disconnect it or remove it, and then you can go ahead and try to log into Microsoft Teams. Now still you are receiving the error message. In that case, you can go ahead and try to run Microsoft Teams in Windows 8 compatibility mode. For this, make a right click on Microsoft Teams icon and then select properties, and then go to the compatibility tab and then put a check on the box which says run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8 is selected by default. So select Windows 8 and then click on apply, OK, and then try to log into Microsoft Teams. Now in case if you don't have a desktop icon for Microsoft Teams over here, in that case you can go ahead and type in Teams in Windows search box, make a right click on Microsoft Teams and then click on open file location, and then make a right click on Microsoft Teams, then select properties and then go to the compatibility and then put a check on the box which says run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, select Windows 8, then click on apply, OK, and then try to launch Microsoft Teams and then log into Microsoft Teams. The next step is to delete Microsoft Teams cache file. For this, go to this location. So this is your username. So open C drive. So open File Explorer, open C drive, then open your users folder, then open your username folder, and then open AppData. Now if you don't see AppData over here, then click on view and then click on hidden items. Make sure hidden items is checked. When this is checked, you should be able to see AppData. Open AppData and then open the roaming folder, and once you open the roaming folder, open the Microsoft folder, and over here you can see the Teams folder. Make a right click on Teams and then click on delete, or you can simply go ahead and type in %appdata %/Microsoft. You can put it in Windows search box and then open this and then make a right click on Teams and then click on delete. And once this is deleted, right now Microsoft Teams is open. So first of all, go ahead and close Microsoft Teams. So you can go ahead and click on sign out and then you can go ahead and make a right click, then click on quit Microsoft Teams, and then you can make a right click on Teams and then click on delete. And once this is deleted, you can go ahead and try to launch Teams once again. So type in Teams and then launch Microsoft Teams, and this time it will be asking you to log into your Microsoft Teams account. So enter your Microsoft Teams email and password and log in, and you should not receive the error message anymore. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, make sure that TLS 1.1 and 1.2 is enabled. So for this, you can open Internet Explorer. So go ahead and type in Internet Explorer in Windows search box, and then click on Internet Explorer, and then on the top right here you can see the settings icon. Click on it, then go to Internet Options, and then go to the Advanced tab and scroll down, and over here you can see TLS 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 is checked over here in my case. So make sure that all TLS 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 is checked, and then click on apply, OK, and then try to log into Microsoft Teams. Or you can simply type in inetcpl.cpl in Windows search box, and then click on inetcpl.cpl. Go to the Advanced tab, scroll down, and make sure TLS 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 is checked, and then click on apply, OK, and then try to log into Microsoft Teams. Now, the next step is to uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Teams. For this, open Windows 10 settings, and then go to apps, and in the search box you can go ahead and type in Teams, and then click on Microsoft Teams, and then click on uninstall, then click on Times Machine Wide Installer, click on it, then click on uninstall. Once you uninstall this, go to the start menu, then click on the power icon, then restart your computer, and after the system restart, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Click on download for desktop, and once the download is complete, go ahead and log into Microsoft Teams. Now, in case if nothing is working, in that case you can go ahead and use the web version of Microsoft Teams. To use the web version, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. Now over here you can see the sign in option. Click on sign in, and then enter your Microsoft Teams email and password, and then you can go ahead and use the web version of Microsoft Teams. So one of the steps should definitely help you to get rid of this error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.